So in the room today, we have nearly 8,000 people. And across the 3 days of this year's summit, we're expecting a little over 20,000 people. And I've got to say, we are super proud to be able to host an education event of this scale entirely for free. We've decided to theme this year's summit around the idea of being a day one company. It underpins our focus on staying customer-centered and the energy we get from thinking long-term and inventing on behalf of our customers.
We believe fundamentally we have to rewrite many of our core applications in a very different way to create the speed and agility that's essential for us to compete in this modern world.
We, like Amazon, rely on technology for our success. Technology, IT, robotics and artificial intelligence are becoming central to Visy.
And digital transformation is being driven at all levels. And where we are today is that everybody is a builder. It's no longer a little elite group that had the knowledge to do this. And this is what's driving this huge pace of innovation.
We are really in a revolution that has got no comparison. It's going to change the way you live, you work, you operate.
We extend human capability through our machines. The invention that we have inside these fulfillment centers is actually really simple. Instead of the associate going to the goods can come to the associate, right? And if you can do this at a massive scale, it starts to do something amazing.
Artificial intelligence machine learning will be as disruptive and important to mankind as fire and electricity.
So Amazon Sumerian is the easiest way for developers to create 3D, virtual reality, and augmented reality experiences.
So in real time, we can identify lots of people here. And now I can see I got a unicorn up here. The great thing about AWS is when we launch services, we have ideas of what people are going to build with it. But then our customers, all of you, go out there and build incredibly cool things.
The highlight of the AWS Summit so far has been the Fleet Space keynote piece. We're doing some exciting stuff out of Adelaide, Australia.
I was lucky enough to speak with incredible people and see how they're actually implementing all the AWS solution in companies.
But we've got a couple hundred people here that work for me that are using cloud today in our company. We want them to talk to Amazon about future capabilities and products and services we need, and this is the perfect venue for that.
I think what makes AWS Summit a must-attend event is the understanding of what the latest feature announcements are, a deep dive into some of the technical details around those.
Working with Amazon has been really amazing as a journey. One of the really cool things we've done recently is launched an Airtasker Alexa skill.
It's really been great to see people sharing a lot of the cultural and leadership principles from AWS and how they inspire innovation and things like the working backwards process.
What I'm most excited about working on AWS for the next 12 months is just the sheer raw innovation that AWS is putting into the overall platform that me as a customer and my customers internally can benefit from.
With that, Sydney, there's never been a better time to build, so go build. Thank you very much.